It doesn't start with a flash in the sky. It starts with a vibration in your pocket. The same message arrives on your phone and on every phone in the world. Not from a friend, not spam. Official, from the planetary warning system. The text is simple. Object 99942, Apophis. Change in trajectory. Collision inevitable. Time to impact, 12 hours. At that moment, the world ceases to be divided into countries. Only one common problem remains. The final minutes before impact will be strangely quiet, and then a new star will appear in the sky. It's an asteroid entering the atmosphere. It will heat up to thousands of degrees, becoming brighter than the sun. Everyone on the other side of the planet who looks at it will be blinded. It will fly in deafening silence because its speed is much greater than the speed of sound. The sound will come, but much later. Collision. The energy released upon impact is millions of times greater than the combined power of all the nuclear bombs on the planet. At the epicenter, most likely in the ocean, water, land, and the asteroid itself instantly vaporize. The shockwave pushes back the atmosphere, creating a temporary vacuum, and the Earth's crust reacts like a gong. A magnitude 12 earthquake reverberates across the planet, felt by every person on Earth. But the worst is yet to come. The explosion ejects trillions of tons of molten rock high into the atmosphere and even into space. Within an hour, this debris, cooling and turning into tiny glass spheres, begins to fall back to Earth. All over the planet, the sky fills with billions of shooting stars. Friction heats them red hot, turning the atmosphere into a giant furnace. Global forest fires begin. Smoke from the fires and dust from the impact rise into the stratosphere. Within days, they form a dense black blanket that envelops the entire planet. Sunlight can no longer penetrate. Eternal night ensues. Temperatures drop below freezing even at the equator. A shock winter begins, lasting for years. Plants die. The food chain collapses. Large animals, including humans, will likely disappear, but life won't. Deep in the ocean, near hydrothermal vents, it won't even notice the catastrophe. And on land, those who manage to hide underground and eat anything will survive. Small, mouse-like mammals. When the dust settles years later, they will emerge to the surface and see an empty world full of opportunity. This is their chance. An asteroid collision isn't just the end of the world, it's a cruel but effective renewal mechanism. It wipes out dominant species to give others a chance. Our own existence was only possible thanks to such a catastrophe. Asteroids aren't evil killers, they're indifferent cosmic gardeners, periodically weeding the garden so that new, unexpected flowers can grow.